In our previous videos in Costa Rica and Shanghai, we provided clues for you adventure lovers to solve while inspiring you with attractions and itinerary. We'll ramp it up this week in Berlin. Our friends John and Itza accompanied us on this trip. Little known fact about me. I have 88% German ancestry, and visiting Deutschland is my dream come true. We're here to help you discover why Berlin should be in your travel itinerary.
So let's forget the guidebooks. Berlin's story is etched in its very streets. This city pulsates with a vibrant mix of cultures, where history and modern life intertwine in a captivating dance. From the Berlin Wall's sobering presence to the cutting-edge art scene, every corner whispers a new chapter of Berlin's unforgettable story. Together we will walk the cobblestones that hum with tales of resilience and reinvention. History unfolds with each step, revealing an enduring city that's constantly changing. John, where should we explore on the first day?
Berlin's Museum Island isn't your average museum district. This UNESCO site crams 5 world-class museums onto a single island, offering a mind-blowing journey through time. Imagine staring down the Ishtar Gate of Babylon, a colossal marvel from the ancient world at the Pergamon Museum, or lose yourself in the colorful Egyptian collection at the Neues Museum, where mummies and hieroglyphics whisper secrets of the pharaohs. Art lovers won't be disappointed either. The Alte National Gallery stuns with masterpieces by Monet, Delacroix, and Friedrich. From vibrant impressionism to dramatic romanticism, it is an artistic feast. For those of you who dig sculptures and Byzantine bling, the Bode Museum awaits. Think Roman portraits, medieval masterpieces, and a mesmerizing collection of coins telling stories of empires past. All this culture is inspiring. Itza, are you feeling moved yet?
Yes, John, did you all know that the Museum Island story is one of survival? Damaged during World War II, these treasures were painstakingly restored. Today is then as a testament to the power of art and culture to endure. Consider a museum pass for discounted entry to all 5 museums, or just pick 1 or 2 based on your interest. Now, travelers, we suggest you spend at least 1 day on this island. Please, Stephanie, let us sleep in tomorrow.
Sorry, Itza, we are here to explore. Day 2 continues with a walking tour. Take a leisurely stroll along the banks of the River Spree, soaking in the panoramic views of Berlin's skyline. The river is not just a waterway, it's a vital artery that connects the city's past, present, and future. Spanning approximately 400 kilometers and winding its way through Germany and the Czech Republic, the Spree is a source of inspiration, recreation, and cultural significance for Berliners and visitors alike.
As you wander across the Spree River, marvel at the grandeur of the Berlin Cathedral, a stunning example of Berlin architecture. You gaze upon its imposing facade and soaring spires, and you can't help but feel a sense of appreciation for the craftsmanship and artistry that went into its construction. Inside is breathtaking with ornate mosaics and stained glass windows casting a rainbow of colors across the space.
I have known John for a long time. I'm sure he appreciated the river, being an outdoor enthusiast himself. Now, as the sun climbs higher in the sky, venture deeper into Berlin's tumultuous past with a visit to the topography of terror. Located on the site of the former Gestapo and SS headquarters, this outdoor museum offers a poignant reminder of the atrocities committed during the Nazi regime. Trace the footsteps of history as you wander through the haunting exhibits, where photographs, documents, and personal accounts bear witness to the horrors of war and oppression. Stephanie, is there a nearby attraction that we can also check out?
Well, certainly, David. Be sure to visit Checkpoint Charlie, the most famous crossing point between East and West Berlin during the Cold War. There is now a museum on site that tells the story of the Berlin Wall and the Cold War. But amidst the shadows of the past, there is also light to be found. Show me the light, John.
And take a moment to reflect in the peaceful surroundings of the nearby Gendarmenmarkt, a picturesque square framed by the majestic domes of the French and German cathedrals. Here, amidst the bustle of everyday life, find solace in the timeless beauty of Berlin's architectural treasures. We ate dinner and headed back to our hotel to rest for tonight's excitement. We all know that Itza loves to party.
Of course, I bring the boom to the party. Berlin's nightlife is truly legendary, offering an electrifying array of experiences. As the sun dips below the horizon, the city awakens with a palpable energy that beckons you to explore its nocturnal allure. One of the iconic destinations for nightlife enthusiasts is the Kreuzberg district, renowned for its edgy and alternative vibe. Here you'll find a plethora of underground clubs and bars that have been instrumental in shaping Berlin's counterculture scene. Venture into the depths of clubs like Watergate, where world-class DJs spin hypnotic beats that reverberate through the cavernous spaces.
This is just the first taste of Berlin's captivating energy. As you head back to your hostel or accommodation of your choice, the city lights twinkling below, you can't help but feel a sense of anticipation for what tomorrow holds. This city is a living testament to human resilience, a canvas painted with history, and a stage where the present pulsates with an undeniable vibrancy. We're just getting started. After an electrifying night enjoying Berlin's nightlife, I wonder what Stephanie has planned for us today since it's now 3 a.m.
After a super late night, I promise today will be lighter. Today's itinerary promises to unveil the city's natural beauty and regal grandeur, offering a delightful contrast to the urban explorations of the previous day. Our first stop is the sprawling Tiergarten, an oasis that stretches across the heart of Berlin. As you stroll along the winding paths, you'll find yourself enveloped in a tranquil haven where nature reigns supreme. Majestic trees cast dappled shadows on the well-tended lawns, creating a serene atmosphere that invites you to slow down and savor the moment. Keep your eyes peeled for the numerous sculptures and monuments that dot the park, each one a unique piece of art waiting to be discovered. This stroll should bring you to our next attraction, right, Itza?
Right, Stephanie. Established in 1844, the Berlin Zoological Garden holds the distinguished title of being the oldest and most renowned zoo in Germany. Spanning over 33 hectares in the heart of Berlin, this zoological haven is home to a diverse array of wildlife species from around the globe, making it a must-visit destination for nature enthusiasts and animal lovers alike. Wander through lush green pathways and meticulously designed habitats as you encounter majestic creatures from every corner of the earth. Be amazed at the grace of the African savanna's inhabitants, including towering giraffes, majestic lions, and elusive zebras. Probe into the depths of the rainforest where colorful birds flit among the canopy and playful primates swing from branch to branch. Hey, husband of mine, what other facts did you learn about the zoo?
The Berlin Zoological Garden isn't just about showcasing exotic animals, it's also committed to conservation, research, and education. Learn about the zoo's efforts to protect endangered species and preserve biodiversity through informative exhibits and interactive experiences. For a truly unforgettable experience, don't miss the chance to visit the zoo's famous panda enclosure, home to Germany's only giant pandas. Watch in awe as these iconic creatures munch on bamboo and playfully explore their surroundings, providing a rare glimpse into their fascinating lives.
Normally 3.7 kilometers isn't a big deal to walk, but after last night, we suggest taking a taxi to the magnificent Charlottenburg Palace, the jewel of Prussian Baroque architecture. Walk through the majestic staterooms, adorned with sparkling chandeliers and intricate stucco work. We imagine ourselves transported back to the days of Prussian royalty. The sprawling gardens, perfectly landscaped with fountains and sculptures, offer a glimpse into the refined tastes of the court. Charlottenburg Palace is a testament to Berlin's rich history, a reminder of the city's rise to power and influence.
As you wake up to your final day in Berlin, you'll feel a mix of excitement and reverence. Today's itinerary, you'll walk through the shadows and lights of Berlin's soul, ending your journey with a profound connection to this city of contrasts. David, where should we go first?
The first stop is the Brandenburg Gate, a monumental structure that has stood as a symbol of unity and perseverance for centuries. As you approach this imposing yet elegant neoclassical arch, you can't help but feel a sense of awe wash over you. Imagine the countless individuals who have passed through these gates, from victorious armies to jubilant crowds, celebrating the fall of the Berlin Wall. Take a moment to soak in the atmosphere, allowing the weight of history to settle upon you.
Next, we head towards the Reichstag building, the seat of the German parliament. The imposing structure, a testament to German unification, offers stunning views of the city from its glass dome. Here we learn about the workings of German democracy and the nation's path towards reconciliation. Free tours are available, but reservations are recommended.
And the afternoon takes on a somber tone as we approach the Holocaust Memorial, a chilling yet essential stop. The vast field of concrete slabs, stretching out in an undulating grid, evokes a sense of overwhelming loss. Walking amidst these silent sentinels, we contemplate the atrocities of the Holocaust and the importance of remembering. The adjacent underground information center provides a deeper understanding of this dark chapter in human history.
Emerging from the weight of the past, we find ourselves in Potsdamer Platz, a vibrant symbol of Berlin's rebirth. Once a desolate wasteland during the Cold War, this area is now a bustling hub of modern architecture, housing towering skyscrapers, sleek office buildings, and a dazzling array of restaurants and shops. We grab a coffee at a trendy cafe and watch the city come alive, a testament to human resilience and the power of renewal.
As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the city, we take a taxi to the East Side Gallery, the longest remaining stretch of the Berlin Wall. This open-air art gallery showcases powerful murals created by artists from all over the world, a visual representation of hope, freedom, and the triumph of the human spirit. Wandering along the wall, we are captivated by the vibrant colors and the powerful messages conveyed by each painting.
Throughout our travels, we've provided clues to a symbol of Berlin's strength, determination, and an unyielding spirit. The Berlin Bear perfectly captures the qualities of Berlin. This icon was likely inspired by the bears that roamed the forests surrounding the area back in the 13th century. That's when it first appeared on the coat of arms. Today, the symbol continues to resonate as it illustrates Berlin's ability to overcome challenges, such as destruction during World War II and the division of the city during the Cold War.
We've wandered through stunning parks, marveled at iconic landmarks, and paid tribute to the city's poignant memorials. We've indulged in delicious food and drink, danced the night away in trendy clubs, and soaked up the atmosphere of bustling squares and markets.
Berlin's energy is infectious. From its historical landmarks to its cutting-edge art scene, the city sparks a sense of wonder. Now, it's time to explore what adventures await next. You've learned about their stories, their struggles, and their triumphs, and you've been inspired by their resilience and creativity. We definitely recommend Berlin for one of your future trips. Until then, wanderers, safe travels. Remember, half the fun of any vacation is in the planning phase. Do your research and plan your itinerary in advance. Your support means the world to us, so don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember, the world is waiting for you. Until next time.